day. This is your animal huntress coming to you from the Sacramento Valley of Northern California. Some people consider the North Bay to be Central California, but it is a very large state, so perhaps you'll agree. Sacramento's towards the north end of the state. At any rate, these lovely critters are hooded mergansers. They are part of the duck family, and they have this distinctive crest atop their head. The males much more flamboyant than the females. However, she also is crested. The hooded mergansers are found throughout rivers and lakes of North America, and they also have a distinctive bill. Unlike a lot of ducks, these mergansers have serrated bills which aid them in catching fish. This is your animal huntress. Buenos dias. Ciao.